Welcome to the Linode Object Storage Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Linode's object storage is a powerful and cost-effective solution for users who need scalable and reliable cloud storage. Designed for developers, businesses, and teams, it provides seamless integration with other cloud services, making it ideal for large-scale data storage and backup needs. One of the main advantages of Linode Object Storage is its simplicity and ease of use. The service offers an intuitive API that integrates well with existing workflows, along with a user-friendly web interface. Whether you're storing static assets, media files, or backups, Linode's Object Storage allows you to upload and manage your data with ease. The service also supports S3-compatible tools and applications, which makes it easy to integrate into existing systems that are already optimized for AWS S3. Linode's object storage excels in performance with fast read and write speeds, even for large files, thanks to its use of high-speed SSD-backed infrastructure. The storage is highly scalable, meaning you can start with a small plan and expand as your storage requirements grow. You only pay for what you use, and there are no additional charges for ingress or egress, making it an affordable solution for businesses and developers. Security is a top priority with Linode Object Storage. It offers encryption at rest and in transit, ensuring that your data is always protected. You can also set fine-grained access controls to manage who has access to your data and monitor usage with detailed logs. These features make it a reliable choice for those who need to store sensitive or private data. In conclusion, Linode Object Storage is an excellent choice for developers, businesses, and users needing fast, reliable, and scalable cloud storage. Its performance, ease of use, and strong security make it a solid option for managing data on a budget. For more details, check the links in the description.